I can.
So if I ask you questions while you're cooking, you will not burn the chicken.
Actually, onto the best.
So, so I was saying, like, you mentioned something very interesting. You said that, like, you used to just look at restaurants like Steers from outside, and you always wondered, like, you wanted to go inside, right?
Yeah.
Where did you grow up? Tell us more about where you come from, your background, your childhood. Take us back. Take us back inside.
Story on Earth. I don't think. Well,
Yeah, take us back
that has to
inside.
be the longest story.
We have a lot of time here.
I was born in a village close to Thika.
Okay.
Inaitwa Ruaitira. It's called Ruaitira. Avaa nilitoeng akimkoa kwa shona shiksha.
What did you say?
Nimetoeng Ruaitira.
Ruaitira.
Watu wa kwetu wakasikia nikisema hivyo. It's called Ruaitira in Gatanga. Gataya is a constituency.
Yes.
At least that is quite known.
Yes, I have heard of Gatanga.
Festival.